Install a smart home device, a step-by-step guide from the pros. 1. Decide what type of device you want to install. Do you want a smart thermostat, lighting control, security system, or something else? 2. Do your research. Read up on the different types of devices and decide which one is right for your home. 3. Create a budget. Decide how much you want to spend on the device and any associated installation costs. 4. Install the device. Depending on the device, you may need to hire a professional to install it correctly. 5. Connect your device. Connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network and to any compatible devices or apps. 6. Learn how to use the device. Take some time to learn the features and controls of your device. 7. Test the device. Make sure everything is working properly and that you understand how to use it. 8. Enjoy your new device. Now that your device is up and running, you can start to enjoy its features and the convenience it provides.